Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install latest Eclipse IDE on your Windows machine. Also, I will be showing you how to create and run first Java project using it. So do watch my video till end. Guys, let's start the video. You can open any of your favorite browser and just search for Eclipse download. And guys, here you can see it is showing me the official website eclipse.org. You can click on this link to go to the download page. So guys, it has redirected me to download page of Eclipse, and here you can see it is showing me Eclipse IDE 2023-06. So you need to just click on this download button. Okay, so it will again redirect you to next page. Again here you have to click on what? This download button. And guys, you can see my download of Eclipse IDE has been started. So we will be waiting for it. Okay guys, so download of my Eclipse IDE is done. Now I will be installing. So for that I'll just click on this. I'm going to minimize my browser, and guys, here you can see it is showing me different different installer. So we have installer for Java, Java EE, C, C++, PHP and so on. So we have different installers available. You can select if you wish to install anything else. So I'm going to install what? Eclipse IDE for Java. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on this, and guys, here you can see it is showing me Java 17 above. So in my PC I'm having JDK 20 already installed, so it has detected that JDK. And guys, below it is showing me the location of installation location of this Eclipse IDE. So it is going to be installed in my C:\user admin Eclipse Java 2023-06. If you wish to change, you can just click on this and change. And guys, here it is showing me two options: create start menu entry and create desktop shortcut. Yes, I want to do that, so I will just click on install button. So guys, now you can see my installation process has been started. So just wait for a while. Okay guys, so my installation is done. Now here it is showing me launch, and you can see shortcut is created on desktop also. So I'm just going to click on this launch button. So, and guys, here, and this is what select a directory as a workspace. So here all your project file will be saved in this workspace directory. So if you wish to change, you can change. Otherwise, this is the default location: C:\user, whatever is your user, mine is admin, and then in that Eclipse workspace folder will be created. If you wish to change, you can change, no problem. Okay, and you can select this, use this as the default, and do not ask again. So by default it will be using this as workspace directory, and click on OK button. So guys, now my Eclipse has been started. This is what my Eclipse IDE. Now I will be showing you how to create project using it. Okay, so for that you can click here, or you can go to file menu, and from file menu you can select new, and here you can select what? Java project. Okay, since we are doing simple Java, so select Java project. Now provide project name. So I'm providing project name as Hello World, and guys, here it's showing me the default location, that is your workspace directory. After that, your project name, a folder will be created with your project name. If you wish to change this, you can just uncheck this use default location and browse. Okay, now under JRE we are going to select use a project specific JRE. So whatever is your JDK, that is in mine case it is JDK 20, it is selecting that. And now no need to change any other thing. Here it is selected module, so I'm just unchecking this module, and guys, then click on this next button. Okay, now here it is showing me what project build settings. So here my Hello World SRC, and down you can see it output folder. Okay, so Hello World /bin, this is the output folder. Click on finish button guys, so it will create your project. Left side you can see it has created Hello World directory, and inside that we have JRE and SRC. JRE contains what? Your all the Java things, and here SRC is blank. So now I'm going to create a Java class inside this src. So just right click on this src and select what, new, and then class. And guys, here you need to provide class name, also the modifier, package name, and whether you want to public static void main method. So let's do that. So I've given class name as hello demo and my modifier is public, and here I'm checking on this public static void main, so it will add public static void main method. You don't have to write it manually. And guys, in package, if you want to omit package, you can omit, no problem. I'm providing package name as Sunita, and let me click on finish button. So guys, here you can see under src Sunita package has been created, under that hello demo.java, right? So my Java file has been created, and in this file you can see the first line is package, since I gave package, and then we have a class and the class name is hello demo, and since we give public modifier, so it's showing that. And since we selected create public static void main method, so it has created that method also. And now guys, after this I'm going to print a simple message. So for that I'm just typing sysout and I'm pressing tab key. Okay, so you can see system.out.println has been generated, and inside this I'm going to write a simple message. You can print any message. I'm writing thanks for watching guys. So code is done. I'm going to save this program. So you can do Control S, or you can click on this save all button, right? So my code has been saved. Let's run it. Right click here and you can select the option Java application, or you can go here and you can select run as Java application, or you can go to run menu and you can select run as Java application, or you can click on this play button. So many options are there. I have shown you all. So I'm clicking on this play button, and boom guys, I got my output. Thanks for watching. So we wrote a simple statement and it is printing that statement. So I conclude my video. I hope guys, by following my video you are able to successfully install Eclipse and you are able to run your first program guys. Okay, so if my video has helped you, then guys don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, you can follow me on Instagram or other social media also. I have given link in description box. And guys, I have created Telegram channel. There I am sharing lots of PDF and notes freely. You can join that also. Link is in description. And guys, if really my video has helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.